Welcome to class. In today's class, we shall be discussing application software. If you can recall, in our previous classes, we talked about the software, whereby we say the software, they are sets of instructions, they are programs that you give to the computer to perform a specific task. And then when we talked about a software, we then said that a software has two types, made reference to system software and application software. We also made emphasis to utility software. And when we say that the system software, they are more or less like a follow-come software that comes along with the computer system. Users don't have to download them, rather it comes along. Now, what then is an application software? An application software simply can be defined as a computer program designed to help end users perform a certain task or a certain kind of task. Now, when you talk about an application software, and the application software is downloadable. And the reason why application software came is to help the system software maintain its functionality. Now, new versions of application software are released regularly. Now, application software have different types, different examples as the case may be, and the essence for application software is clearly to improve system functionalities. All applications found on your phone are called application software. When you open your phone, you see a lot of them, and basically there are usually types of an application software. You have the user application software and the application package software. When you were in junior school, I know you were told that application software are just general purpose and specific purpose, but that's not the case, because application software includes the user application software and the application package software, where we are going to emphasize more on the application software. Now, when you talk about the user application software, a user application software is simply a program developed by a programmer to solve his personal problems or to perform his personal tasks. A good example could be programming language. Let's say a user application program, he wants to solve a problem that regards to web design, how to create a computer or whatnot, like Fortran, Basic, Kobo, etc. You use a user application. Also, for application packages, that's where you now have your general purpose and you now have your special purpose. Your general purpose and your special purpose. This was what was called application software in your junior school, but it's not the case, because it's called application package software under the category of general purpose and application software. Now, general purpose application software, these are general tools that provide specific capabilities but not in support of specific purposes. What does that simply mean? It means that an application package are programs that are developed by software firms and made available to the general public for solving their basic needs. And you have word processing package, you have spreadsheet, database, graphic, and games and the likes. The first one, you have the word processor. Now, a word processor basically is a program that is used to enter, edit, format, and print a text-based document using a computer. Now, a very good example of a word processing is your Microsoft Word, is your Word Pad, is your Word Wrap. All of these are good examples of word processing. Next is your spreadsheet. Like you can see, you have Microsoft Excel as an example. And a spreadsheet package basically is a program designed for financial evaluation, is used for calculation, used for mathematical manipulation, and analysis of data. Now, all of this is done using a spreadsheet package, and a good example of a spreadsheet package is a Microsoft Excel. Now next is the presentation package. Now basically, a presentation package is a program designed to assist with the creation and delivery of presentations to an audience, as you can see on the screen. Now a very good example of a presentation package is your PowerPoint presentation. If you can recall, in last time during your project work, we all did a presentation using the PowerPoint, followed by we have the database management package. Now basically, it is an interesting package because it helps in the creation of database for either students, workers, as the case may be. Now a database package is a computer program designed to systematically store information in a computer, managed and retrieved it when needed. A good example is your Microsoft Access. And lastly, you talk about your graphical package, and that entails a good example called CorelDRAW, Photoshop. You have Paint, you have your Paint and all of that. Now what's a graphic package? Now it's a computer software specially designed and best suited for creation, editing and manipulation of visual images on a computer. Do you want to design a picture? Make use of a graphic packages. All of these are what we call general purpose. Now moving forward, we have the special purpose packages. Now a good example of special purpose packages, you have accounting packages, you have payroll system, you have banking software, you have hospitality management system, and you have reservation system. All of this will quickly look into it one after the other. Now you have the first one called the accounting packages. Now as an accounting package is a software package that records and processes accounting transactions such as accounts payable, accounts retrievable, payroll and trial balances. For example, the school makes use of an accounting package whereby staff payments of salaries are being done. You have account package whereby your school fees are being paid into. Now because the school has an accountant, as an accountant he makes use of an accounting packages. Moving forward, we have a payroll packages or a payroll processing. Now when you talk about a payroll, basically is for payment of salaries. In school we all have a payroll system whereby salaries are being accumulated and are being organized and salaries are being paid. That's a very good example that can be easily understood. Payroll packages is a software that is used for the calculation of money due to employees and to also provide easy keeping of accurate records. Moving forward, we also have the banking package. Now the banking package is a software package that is designed specifically to enable financial institutions to automate banking processes or functions with a very high level of security. And what does that simply mean? It means that in banks they make use of a banking software. Without a banking software, banking becomes very tiresome. The reason why when you send money and your money gets to you, it's because of the availability of banking software packages. Now we also have what we call the bank as under the same banking packages. We also have where debit credits loans are also still being accumulated and also being organized in a very organized way. A very good example of a banking package we have the international banking package. Also have Oracle as a very good example. Also we also talk about the hospitality management that talks about hospital management software packages. Now what does that simply mean? It means that it's a software package designed to improve the overall hospitality of including patients checks in database, medical office efficiency, prioritizing which needs to be accompanied for the patients as well as notifying the hospital for the services. Basically, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Bye bye.